Hey yo guys, it's your boy Manandothegoat here, guys. I'm going to analyze AUD USD starting from the daily time frame. So I'm just gonna zoom in a little bit. So with the zoom, guys, you could see that we have to highlight the highest height of the market and then highlight the lowest low of the market. And then again, we can analyze the structure that we see, guys. So this is the structure that we see. 1, 2, 3, which gave you a what? A breakout. And again, was done on the height, has to also be done on the low. Perfect. And if you can check, guys, price moved with an impulse. This is a correction. So after a correction, a lot of you know that we're gonna have a what? An impulse to the downside. So this is how it is. So from the daily time frame, guys, we have to move to the 4 hour. As you could see on the 4 hour, there's a breakout. Our main focus will be on the current, not the previous. There is it. And then again, guys, you could see that you still have a what? A 1, 2, 3 inside. But let's not complicate things. So now price broke that level. If price breaks a certain level, just know that it's change of direction. Price is about to shoot down. So we're expecting price to reach somewhere around this level. So, and the reason that made price go down, guys, you could see that we had a double what? A double top. It's not a picture perfect one, but then we had a double top. There's the double top. So again, from this time frame, guys, we're gonna go to the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, it shows straight that price was moving in an impulse. But first, I'm gonna show you why it went down. 1, 2, 3, and then again. And again, 1, 2, 3. So there was a break. After the break, we had what we call a steep correction. So after the steep correction, price continued doing what it does best. Price continued dropping. So now we are in another situation. So here is it. So now we're gonna wait for price to form a what? To form a pattern. And then after forming a pattern, the direction is going down. I hope everybody understands this. So the target that we're gonna go, guys, it's this target here. The target that we are targeting is this target here. It's this target here. So guys, my statement is always when you see it, you can't unsee it, you know. But being seeing these things, money music. So the last pair we wanna do, guys, it's gonna be chfjpy. Dr. Laman music. Huh? So now we are on chfjpy daily time frame. So the chfjpy daily time frame, I don't even know where to start. So we're having it like this. So what I can do is zoom. So zooming, it's 1, 2, 3, which is perfect. And then on the low, it's 1, 2, 3. So from there, we're gonna go to the what? We're gonna go to the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, there's a triple top, so whenever you see a triple top, just know that price is about to come down. I don't believe that price can break that level. 1, 2, 3, and at the top is triple touch. So with this one, guys, we're expecting let's go to the 1 hour. Yeah, we're expecting something like this drop. We're expecting something like this drop. You see, the price gives you an impulse, and then it gives you a correction. After a correction, you know that price has to do what? Price has to give you a impulse. There is it. And then now the direction is the same. So that's how perfect it is. Sometimes, yes, you can use the bar button. Where's the bar button? You can use the bar button to determine the drop from that level to this level. So you see, if you can put it here, guys, it makes more sense. So you can just reduce it from the low. Or increase, or didn't. So perfect again. So it's me, your boy Manandothegoat, done with these setups. So guys, when you're bored, just come and check my setups, and you'll realize why I'm the best. And shout out to Nasdaq Ninja for putting me on. It's all love. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Yo guys, it's your boy Manandothegoat, and I'm back again, guys. So in today's video, guys, we're gonna look at nzdjpy. As you know, most of the time when we analyze, guys, we're gonna start on the daily time frame. So when we're on the daily time frame, guys, what we can do is zoom. So for your trend line to be correct, guys, you need 2 to 3 touches. As you can see, we have the first one, second one, and third one. So I'm gonna change the colors here. So it can be yellow, it's more visible. So after the height, we're gonna highlight the what, the low. So that's what we have. So again, guys, if you can check here with the horizontal ray, we had what we call a double top. That's the reason why price came down. And again, we need a horizontal ray to highlight the 90% rule of the market. So from the daily time frame, we're gonna move to the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, guys, you could see what price did. Price gave you a pattern called a head and shoulder setup. So how do you spot a head and shoulder setup? There's a tool for it. All you have to do is let's do this. 1, then 2, then we go up, and then we go down, and then we go up, and then we come here. So price has to go out, price has to complete this level here. Price has to complete that level. As you can see, it's already dropping. So on this one, guys, the reason why we're selling is because of the what? head and shoulder setup. So this one was easy, guys. If you once you see it, you can never unsee it. So from the 4 hour, we can visit the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, guys, we're just gonna fix there and there. As you could see, guys, price keep repeating itself. I always tell you that. Let's look at this structure here. We're gonna look at this structure here. 1, 2, and then that has to be the third one. And then when we come to the low, history keep repeating itself. 1, 2, 3. So there was a breakout here, guys. Understand? After the breakout, we had what we call a steep what? A steep correction. So this is a steep what? A steep correction. This is how it is. That's your steep correction. After the steep correction, guys, you could see that price was trying so hard to push to this level. So now we are expecting a what? A double bottom here. So what can we do to show that we're gonna go down? As you can see, we have what we call a bearish flag. What's a bearish flag? A bearish flag is a flag that shows you that price is now going where? Down. So if you wanna take this position, guys, you're gonna take it as a what? As a short. So your entry was supposed to be somewhere around that level, somewhere around this level. And then this one, you can just fix it like this. And then have a what? Always have a tight stop loss. And then the TP, it has to be somewhere around this level. So yeah, guys, this one I'll finish it on the 1 hour. Another video will be dropped based on what do you call? Based on entries. So even if you go to the 4 hour, you could still see that everything is still proper. Everything is still proper when you go to the 4 hour. So yeah, guys, this is how it is. Trend line is what? Trend line is key. And again, if you wanted this buy here, you could have just did this. And then after doing that, you come here on the low, you do the same thing. And again, guys, it's easy to spot these patterns, you know. Experience counts, you know. You need to know what you're doing. And again, I'll come here, go down. You could see there's a breakout. Whenever you see a breakout, just know that price is about to be crazy. So yeah, guys, with nzdjpy, we are done. So which pair can we look at? What should you say, which pair? chfjpy. Now we're gonna go to chfjpy. So good analyzing. Video learning post. So on chfjpy, guys, it's not always necessary to start your trend line from here to here. We can just focus on the current structure. As you could see, we have to highlight the what? Highest height of that current structure. And then now we highlight the lowest low of the nearest current structure. And again, I'll highlight the what? The important level. And after important level, I will switch my time frame from the daily to the 4 hour. Don't complicate your strategy. So let's see. Price has been coming down with an impulse, right? So this is an impulse. We can all agree this is an impulse. So after having an impulse, what price gives you most of the time, that's what we call a correction. So as you could see from here, going sideways, it's a correction. And the correction has more than what? 3 touches. So if your correction has more than 3 touches, you know where price is gonna go. Just like this one, guys. If you look at the previous structure, 1, 2, 3, which is perfect. And then we come again and we take the 1, 2, 3 from the low. 1, 2, 3 from the low. So there's a tool called the what do you call this tool here? The bar pattern. We're gonna take the impulse of these to the low. The impulse to the low. So the impulse to the low, guys, it shows you where price will start and where price will end. So now we're having something like that. And then we can change to be yellow. So if you're looking at this setup, guys, in the long run, you need to be looking at more sales than buyers. You get what I'm saying? Because of the threat. And again, if you put that thing, it's a double top there, guys. You know, it's a boy, Manandothegoat. I never miss. If I do 10 setups, guys, I'm gonna get 8 correct. So now we're gonna go to what? To the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, you can see that price is already showing you form of what? Dropping. And then we have what we call a pattern inside a pattern. Others can say patterns within a pattern. 1, 2, 3, you understand? So with that 1, 2, 3, price is expected to drop till this level. We're done with it, aren't you?
No. I'm not selling now, unless you're gonna hold.
So yeah, guys, we're gonna be doing 3. So now we're gonna go to the last one, which is gonna be what can be the last one, Jax?
GBPUSD.
GBPUSD.
I'm putting myself.
GBPUSD, guys, GBPUSD. So on GBPUSD, you could see that we highlight the what? The highest height of the structure. After the highest height of the structure, we're gonna come highlight the lowest low. And then we have to focus on why price went down. As you could see here, guys, we had many touches, 1, 2, 3, which is perfect. And then again, when we come to the low, we also have 1, 2, 3. Which price gave you a what? A breakout. Before price gave you a breakout, we had what we call a what? A pattern here, which we can call it a what? A flat pattern. So from this structure, we have to move to the what? To the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, as it can see, this is how it is on the 4 hour. So price went down with an impulse, and inside that, there's a what? There's a 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Again, and I see another 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So there was a break. So within that break again, guys, there was a special zone in here. Where is the zone? This zone. And if you can check, this is just a correction. Same correction that happened there is the same correction that's happening right now. It's the same correction that's happening right now. Here is it. So what we can do is we take the impulse of the correction with the bar pattern from where it started falling to where it is, like this. And then we can do what? We can put it here. So with GBP USD, guys, we're still gonna be having what? We're still gonna be having sales. So it was me, your boy, Manandothegoat, the best and price action, signing out. Don't forget to follow and subscribe, guys. Follow me on Instagram at Manandothegoat, subscribe on YouTube at Manandothegoat, like. Oh, wait.
That's the most potential now.